Woo! What's up guys, Berlin take two. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. So today we're out here in a really cool neighborhood. I don't know what it's called. I'm always fighting with trams. But right here, there's a bomb kebab store, which is insane. Takuma got me to try it yesterday. And I swear to God, it was the best kebab I've had in my life. I'm not a kebab guy, but Berlin may be a kebab guy. So guys, I found someone. I need to catch him. He's waiting right there for me. Look, by the metro station. Don't go anywhere, brother. I'm coming for you. Okay, nobody in Germany does this, but I do. Hey man, how's it going? I really like your style, so I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel, and I take pictures of strangers when I like their look. If you would like a portrait.
Of course, let's
Yeah?
do that.
I like saw you over here, and I was like, I'm not letting him get away.
Just staying around?
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe
Or do you
even.
want to pose something?
Yeah, pose. Are you going up there?
Yeah.
No? Perfect. This is the first time in Berlin doing it.
Where are you from?
New Zealand.
Nice.
But I live in Barcelona.
Cool.
Yeah. Awesome. This is gonna look dope here with this
Yeah.
backdrop. Stands just here. Yeah. Yes, man. Love it. Stay like that. And maybe can I take the bag? Here's another one, guys. Run. No.
Please
Barcelona. No. One looking up here. Yeah. One more. Perfect. Stay like that. We'll try some in walking. So you just walk towards me from there. And stay how you are with that like serious look, yeah? Okay, let's see what we got. Yes, okay, nice. Check them out. Damn, look at this is a really cool shot.
Yeah, I love it.
Walking.
Can you stay in contact to get them? Cool.
Perfect. So,
Thank you for that. What's your
all
name?
good. Brad.
Brad?
Uh-huh.
Julian.
And yours, Julian.
Yes.
And where did you get your jacket from here, Berlin?
It's an old thing from Vienna. I took it from my ex-boyfriend, actually.
You're like, gracias. I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel, and I take photos of strangers when they have like a cool style or interesting look.
Okay.
If you would like a portrait.
Yeah, okay, you can take a portrait of us.
Perfect. So let's see over here. So if you stand like, or do I like the train station? Yes, I like the station in the back. So, but you can still stand here like this. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect, just like that. Yeah. Awesome, give me like a serious look. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Nice, stand a little bit more actually here in the middle. Perfect, stay there. Yes, awesome. And one more close by looking this way.
Looking there?
Yeah, like up here.
Okay.
Yes, perfect, stay there. Okay, check them out. If you take my Instagram. Hey guys, excuse me. I have a YouTube channel and I take photos of strangers when I like their style and their look, and you guys look pretty cool. If you guys want a portrait, I like your look.
No, thank you.
No?
Please not.
No?
Thank you,
Why not?
thank you. Not my day, please.
Do you want to have one?
Yeah,
I'm loving your outfit. It looks
yeah,
super
yeah,
cool.
why not?
Where are you guys going after? You like going this way or going this way?
I'm waiting on a friend.
On a friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to go in here into the metro with me for like 5 minutes?
Yeah, of course,
Because
why
there's a
not?
super cool mirror there,
Okay.
and I really,
Yeah.
loving
why
the
not?
coat. It looks sick. We'll be back. Oh, awesome. Where are you from? Are you from Berlin?
No, we're from Wiesbaden. That's near Frankfurt am Main.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're just here on a holiday? Or?
Yeah, no, we were in Poland like for 2 weeks because I'm from Poland actually.
Oh, dope. Whereabouts?
Yeah. Stettin.
Oh, I don't know it. But you have a really German accent.
Well, actually, my parents are from Stettin. I was born and raised in Germany.
Okay.
First words I had spoken were Polish.
I love Poland.
Yeah, me too.
I've shot like in Warsaw, is an insane city.
Yeah.
So I was looking at this before in this mirror and I was like, I want to get someone here. So for the first ones, maybe can I get you to do something like this?
Yeah.
So you're like leaning down in like this? Yeah. Yeah, let's go with the bag first. And a little bit closer? Yeah. Oh, you just a tiny bit closer?
Closer to the...
Perfect, see that? Okay, and even closer and this time touching like that? Yeah, it's perfect. Chin back just a little bit. Looking at me. And I'll get some in here actually while the train comes past. This one just looking at me first, yeah. Perfect, stay there. That looks sick, stay like that.
Making moves, trying to get away from this life I'm living.
Do something like this with this hand.
Things every day.
Okay, and now quickly go there. When it starts to move, you just walk towards me, yeah? Okay. Give me some attitude in that walk. Stay there. Okay, let's go, yeah.
Change this feeling. Wasting no more time, don't care about what
Perfect,
you
this way, this way.
say.
Stay there.
Trying to keep me down, no time
Look at me.
for your playing.
One sec, one sec.
Even if you doubt me now, you should know.
Oh, okay, now? Yeah. Just one more portrait just here. Yeah, and maybe put one hand like this and yes, love it. See that? Looking up here. One more, stay there. Okay, let me show you.
Shaking. I'm so nervous.
How come? Your first photo shoot.
I'm so nervous.
It's over now, it's over. You know.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. So nice to meet you. You can you don't need to
have
check.
you?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're gonna
I
be
didn't
awesome.
expect that. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too, keep rocking it. You look great.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, no
Have a
problem.
nice day.
Yes, you too.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, that was so nice.
I don't even know what I want no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time. I know life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, yeah.
Hey, excuse me.
Yeah.
Hey, so I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I take photos of strangers when I like their style.
Yeah.
If you want a portrait.
I'm actually meeting someone right now.
Ah,
It's, like,
okay.
super nice from you.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you. Really
Okay, bye. En route, guys, en route to the next location. We're going to, what's the place called that we're going to? The statue? Huh? This is the Berlin River. It looks beautiful. Would you swim in there? 500 euros to go for a swim. That's probably good that you can't see. I'm gonna ask the people, swim or not swim? Son, go away. Okay, I have to get him. They're probably shooting something for Instagram, like he's gonna be my victim. So I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel and I take photos of people when I like their style.
Okay.
And look, if you guys want some portraits, you both look really cool.
Thank you. We can do it just fast because in 30 minutes my train will come.
Okay.
Well, it'll be like 5 minutes.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so who wants to go first?
Let's go first.
What do you guys, what are you shooting for? Or like now, for like Instagram or something?
Yeah, he has a cooperation for
Uh-huh.
this club, that's why we shoot.
Okay, cool. Okay, perfect. So, do you want to just stand over here and I'll get some shots through here? Perfect, just over here. Yeah. Are you able to sit down just like this and look at me like that? Yeah, look over. No, just look over here. Yeah. Mhm. Awesome. See that? Yes, love it. Stay like that. Yes, man. Perfect. See that? And let me get one with you just over here as well. It's over here too. Where are you guys from? Are you from Berlin?
I'm from Cologne.
Yes, I'm from Berlin, she's from Cologne.
Perfect. Say that. Okay, yeah, looking up here. And looking back at me. Yes, awesome. So I have a YouTube channel and I usually do people like on the street when I like their style.
Cool. What's the YouTube channel? I wanna.
It's called Who's Your Brad?
Who's your bread?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
New Zealand,
New Zealand.
but
okay.
and Japan.
Ah.
He lives here and I live in Barcelona.
Ah, okay. And you're for here holiday or?
Mhm.
Ah, okay, nice.
Just for a week, yeah. So like shooting while I'm here. Okay, I want to get some of you now too. Yeah, let's do a mix.
Yeah.
You have cool eyes as well, so let's. So with this one, I think maybe I'll get you here by the glass and come just over here. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, stay like that. Stay there, stay there. Let me do portrait. Awesome, just like that. And is there somewhere we can go out of the sun? Let's see. Sun, go away. I usually love the sun, but when I'm shooting, I love it when it's cloudy.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be good. Perfect, just stay like that, stay like that. Yeah, stay there. Yeah, and one how you were before, like chin back a little bit and looking up. Yeah, stay there. Actually, the ones in the sun look dope as well.
Can we have the pictures too?
Yeah, of course. I usually send them to people as well.
Yeah.
So I'll send them to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You
Yeah.
have a really handsome face.
Huh?
You have a really handsome face.
Oh, thanks. Okay, let me. Yes, love it. See that? Oh, actually, you know what I would like to try with yours now that the sun that wasn't part of the plan. Instead, can I get one more portrait of you here?
Yeah.
But can I get you like sitting down maybe, just
Yeah.
so I can have the floor as the background? You're gonna love these. Okay, no, yeah, just how you were. Yes, I love that. And take the glasses off again. How you were. Yeah. Awesome, just like that. That's an amazing shot.
Wow. It's so cool. I
Awesome.
Like them. Yeah.
Oh, these ones you guys haven't seen these together. Okay, cool.
Cool.
All good.
How long are you staying here?
I'm leaving Wednesday.
Oh, okay.
I've been here already for like the weekend, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Okay, awesome. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. Okay, guys.
I'm the cool kid from the pocket. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you shots, whether you're ready or not. Yeah. I'm about to pump this place up.
Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, so I just got this guy here before outside when we ran out of battery. He's from Berlin and he's a fashion photographer too, actually. So today he's going to be the model. Well, you look good. Okay, so stand here just in the middle. Yeah, come a little bit closer to me. Perfect. So just stay here for a sec. Perfect. Stay there. Awesome. Love it. Yeah, put the phone.
Yes.
Sorry?
I need one.
After, yeah.
I really not nice. Can I buy? Can I call you or you can make me private?
Yeah,
pictures?
you can. Yeah.
How many money you take for?
One sec. Are you gonna be here?
Yeah, I work here.
One sec. I'll be like 5 minutes and then talk to you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So can I get you maybe holding the bag as well? Yes. So when you're working with your models too, are you directing them and stuff?
A little bit.
A little bit.
But I'm not standing in front of a camera, I'm just standing behind, so
Okay.
it's different from you. To
Yeah.
stand in front, but yeah.
Okay. So if you stand here,
Yes.
and then can I get you to do some like swinging movement, just backwards and forwards? Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Chin down a little bit. Give me that serious. Yeah. Whenever I say serious, I just do it. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, and just one on the stairs too.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, the minute those people get out of the way, yes, love it. Love it. Stay there. One more stay just like that. Looks good. Okay, check it out.
Whether you're ready or not.
Amazing.
I'm about to pump this place up. I'm the cool kid from the pocket.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like, comment, Give me a subscribe if you did like it. So this is really cool. There was a security guy here. He asked me in the beginning, like while I was doing a shoot, can you do a photo shoot for me? So I'm not here in Berlin, like he wanted to pay, and I'm not going to be here in Berlin. So I said you could get Takuma's number, and yes, and he will do your photo shoot. So just like that, and you connect. That's cool, no? Takuma, that's cool, man. So he just got a client here for next month in Berlin, and that's us. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Adios. Takuma, say bye.